Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So if you want to activate or turn off the silent mode, you should use this switch on the left side of the iPhone 15. So now we could see the switcher here. If you want to turn on the silent mode, you should just change the switcher. Now we could see here this red line, so this means that the silent mode is activated and all of your ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. If you wanna just turn off the silent mode, by the same way, change the position of the switch, and by this way all of your sounds, all of your notifications and ringtones, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.